Hello, I'm Tytus.
And I'm LiWen.
From DanceInsanity. And today, we're going to be doing the Samba.
Dancing to Idol by BTS.
When you learn to dance, you want to learn in 3 levels. Footwork first, technique second, and performance third. So today, we're going to be focusing on technique. Specifically on turnout of the foot. You can dance right along with us and advance your turnout technique in Samba.
Let's get started.
And remember, as you watch this video, anytime you can use the YouTube controls to slow it down and see it slower if you need it. We begin with 4 whisks. We're going to go to the right and turn out that foot. 1, 2, side, 3, 4, side, 5, 6, lots of turnout, 7, 8. 2 stationary Samba walks. Close the right foot. Keep it turned out. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now it's going to volta, right foot across, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do 2 stationary Samba walks again. Left foot closes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Volta that left foot across. Get that turnout of that back foot. 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do those 4 whisks again. Right foot, lots of turnout. And keep that turnout. Ball change. And side. Ball change. Feet just keep turning them out. 6, 7, 8.
Next up, he's going to step to the side, close the feet, side, close the feet, then go back to the left, and close, side of the left, close. Next, quarter jacas. Right foot goes forward, and then back, and 2 times forward on the right. Buttercutters back on the right, buttercutter back on the left, and right, and left. Then you go to the side, side, close, back, side, close, Now left foot goes forward, quarter jaca. Left foot forward, and back. 2 times forward, and forward. Now buttercutter back, left, and right, and left, and right. Of course, your turnout was awesome, wasn't it? Hi.
Everything's been mirrored for you now, so you can do a mirror image to us. We showed you the routine from the back so you could see it one way. Now we're going to do it again together with the timing. Here we go. The timing will be 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and tap 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and tap 8. Then you can go back to the beginning if you want to. Let's do the whole thing with that awesome song. Thank you for joining us today to get your Samba technique even better. I'm Tytus.
I'm LiWen.
From DanceInsanity. Be sure to subscribe and like this video and share this video and make some comments below. Just say stuff. Don't be shy.
Did you like this song? Have you heard this song? Do you even know who BTS is?
Will be. I love that song.
Yeah. And hey, check out their music video. It's pretty trippy.
Their music video is crazy.
I love myself.
I look forward to seeing you real soon in the next video.
I love myself. 这个呢，弟弟你们家人家 I love myself. That's the only lyric I know.